Grits?
No. Peach cobbler.
Oh my god.
Peaches, cake mix, Sprite, butter.
Sprite? How much Sprite? Oh, just that much? Whatever that is?
I'm just guesstimating. This high bake. Usually
Nice.
it turns out really freaking delicious, so I'm not too concerned.
So the 10 is like 10 cups? Like the size of the crock pot? Or Dutch oven?
It's a 5-quart, yeah.
5 quart? Yeah. And how long do you put that on the fire? 30 minutes on the fire.
Where'd the boxes come from?
Like passing by them. And they were stopping everybody. Every single car was stopped.
Wow.
So.
It's kind of the same things though, like every day is monotonous, like, oh, I have a baby. Yeah. So, but they'll maybe surface at some point and, I don't know, maybe go on land. I don't know. I don't really ask. Yeah. My mom's like, what's he doing? I'm like, I don't ask. It's none of my business. If he wants to tell me, he will.
Yeah, it's funny, like you buy those.
Sometimes you don't need to know.
And then like start
Yeah, and sometimes he can't say, so it's pointless.
Yeah.
Plus, I do it too, so I kind of already get the gist of it. The worst part is what he'll miss our wedding anniversary. He's gonna miss Rex's 3rd birthday. It's all of those things that's sad, you know.
Yeah.
This is the 2nd year in a row he's missed Rex's birthday. He wasn't here for his 2nd birthday either. And that's kind of why he's like, oh, have fun, and you know, because he knows how it is when he's gone, how busy it gets, and how I don't do anything. So the best it gets for me is Redbox. I'm like, Redbox movie tonight.
Use that to
Okay. Oh, nice.
Are you?
I know, isn't that awesome? Yeah.
I gotta twist it. Actually, we do have it. Huh?
what's that? Oh, that.
She's got a hook to get
Okay,
twisted.
well, I got the thing here. I asked for the turkey.
Babe, you don't need to move that.
I have to twist it because it's got heat on that side, not heat on this side.
Right.
It's gonna be done only half.
It needs a full rotation.
Like,
Well, you turn it like
500 degrees, it's sitting at 500 degrees. I don't care which side it's on.
Yeah, but one side doesn't get any heat.
Oh.
That's cobbler?
Yes.
I thought it was mashed potatoes.
Oh no, it's
When you
cobbler.
showed it to me with all the butter, I was like, that's mashed potatoes and gravy.
Oh no, it's peach cobbler. Then there's a cake mix, and then there's Sprite, and then there's butter.
Even better.
like that top piece down, right? What? That top piece is down, right? Part of the time, yes. Okay. And when we
Crawbat Daddy is like really mislabeled. It's not that bad. Like it is really, really mislabeled.
Talk to a few other people that would probably argue with you.
the
It's
hardest thing was not getting this deep was that first time.
yeah. I mean, like
Staying on the trail. That's not my fault.
we stayed on the trail and we did it like in
He
the.
didn't drink anything, but a couple of other people.
We did it in the middle of Christmas, like in the snow. We couldn't see the obstacles very well. And the Jeep with me was open, like 33s, TJ, like no lockers.
Terry has 31-inch tires.
Yeah. Yeah, you should not be able to do a red like that. Like you just should not, like it's mislabeled. Like it should be like a blue or like a black. Like it shouldn't be a red. A red should be like your Jeep is like almost unable to do it. You know, it should be like the face of Daniel. You know, it should be.
Oh, that smells so good.
He cannot turn left.
Oh, let me go get the turn left. Not unless he puts
It got better when we put it in two-wheel drive, but yeah.
So I don't feel a whole twist on me and bring you. I don't know.
Far enough.
And I'm not certified
Too
yet.
far to take you.
Good thing I wasn't asking you to help me. You would just let me die. I could just give you an IV right now.
I have this stuff in my bag.
Not die, just
I have all my IVs in my bag.
Thank you, Eddie.
God's best keeper.
Is it already cooked?
On your way?
We're gonna find out in a sec.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna blow it, the dust off it. Over here.
Whoop.
Not on the...
I know.
have no idea what's in the back of that truck. He's ready for almost.
I want to try something. Yes, that. Yes, it's burned, but that's okay.
Good.
Yes.
Looks good.
It looks good.
Good.
Keep lid on it so
Yep.
it keeps cooking.